What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best TV wall mounts in 2021. Through extensive research I've put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether their price, performance and particular use, we got you covered. For more information on the products I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off today with the ECHO-GEAR EGLT 1BK, also known as the best tilt TV wall mount you can find on the market in 2021. The ECHO-GEAR tilting low-profile mount is ideally priced and sized to handle televisions up to 32 to 70 inches in size. Don't worry if your television is slightly older and therefore a little heavier, because the ECHO-GEAR can handle a weight up to 125 pounds, and mounts are tested for up to 4 times that weight capacity. The 30-minute installation time is standard with their products and comes pre-divided for attachment to either 16 or 24-inch wood studs. The 15-degree tilt capability allows easy adjustment with just your hands, so you can quickly and easily direct the television where you want it to be. The mount itself places the TV 2.5 inches from the wall, leaving plenty of space and support for cables and cords to attach miscellaneous items such as DVRs, Blu-ray players, or video game machines. The second product on our list for today is the VIDEOSECU TV wall mount, also known as the best low-profile TV wall mount you can find on the market in 2021. VIDEOSECU's low-profile television mount offers an excellent ultra-slim wall mount that can retract the attached unit to just 1.5 inches away from the wall. Capable of fitting televisions from 32 to 75 inches in size, the mount is compatible with just about every major brand and can support TVs up to 165 pounds. All the required mounting hardware is included for the heavy-duty construction mount and can be fitted with up to 24-inch studs for extra durability. The open-plate wall design allows cables to pass through the low-profile mount without interfering with the TV's placement when near flush against the wall. Released in 2008, VIDEOSECU says the mount can hold televisions released as far back as 2005 up until today's most recent release. The third product on our list for today is the ECHO-GEAR EGLF 1BK, also known as the best articulating TV wall mount you can find on the market in 2021. With its heavy-gauge metal construction, the ECHO-GEAR articulating wall mount can hold television displays between 37 to 70 inches in size and weigh up to 132 pounds. Echogear also emphasizes that their units are tested to strengths up to 4 times their rated weight, so you can be certain of exceptional build quality. The unit itself can help push a television up to 16 inches out from a wall and back to 2.6 inches away from the wall when retracted. With a recommended installation time of 30 minutes on 16-inch studs, all hardware is included and pre-divided. Once hung, the 15-degree tilt adjustment is easily done with just your hands. No tools required. Additionally, there are a full 130 degrees of swivel for even more flexibility in viewing no matter where you're seated in a room. The fourth product on our list for today is the VIDEOSECU MW380B5, also known as the best full-motion TV wall mount you can find on the market in 2021. If it's full motion you want during sports games, action-packed movies or just watching the latest episode of your favorite show, the VIDEOSECU MW380B5 is a standout choice. Supporting television displays from 37 to 70 inches, the VIDEOSECU can support up to 165 pounds in weight. The dual-arm design offers 160-degree side-to-side swiveling, 15-degree forward, and 5-degree backward tilt. Additionally, the television can extend up to 25 inches from the wall when in use. Installation is a snap with a 19-inch wide plate that can be mounted into 2 standard wood studs 16 inches apart. Post-installation level adjustment ensures that even the smallest of mistakes can be rectified after the fact to ensure proper viewing experience every time. The last and fifth product on our list for today is the VIDEOSECU ML531B E, also known as the overall best TV wall mount you can find on the market in 2021. Handily one of the best full-motion TV mounts available and an Amazon bestseller, the VIDEOSECU ML531B E is both affordable and versatile. beginning at $25 for 22 to 50-inch televisions and jumping to $70 for 37 to 70-inch screens. The heavy-gauge steel construction can hold up to 88 pounds on each individual mount. The installation itself requires some know-how, but fortunately, there's a post-installation adjustment level to help align the TV perfectly even if you slip up during your first go-around. As a full-motion mount, the VIDEOSECU can tilt, swivel and rotate for maximum viewing range. Additionally, the mount can retract to just 2.2 inches from the wall to save space and extend up to 20 inches to maximize the amount of tilt and rotation. So long as your TV offers 4 mounting holes on the back of the display and conforms to the multitude of variable spacing between each hole, the VIDEOSECU can offer a perfect fit and plenty of function. That's all for now. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and make sure to subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.